What's up, guys? We're doing boulder shoulder baby weights part 2. I just finished part 1, so I grabbed some lighter weights. These are only 2 pounds, but they are going to burn. Normally I would do these with 5 pounds, but since I just finished the first shoulder workout, I'm going to take it down a notch. This workout is wonderful. We're just going to go right into it. If you need to warm up, press pause, warm up the shoulders. Here we go. We are doing interval timing. So you're gonna grab your little weights. I'm gonna do this on the floor, but you could do it standing up. So first, we are gonna start by holding out the arms here. And we're just gonna go up and down with the right arm. The left arm stays right where it is. We're not hunching our shoulder towards our ear. So you're holding it out nice and long and really feeling that burn happen in the top of the arm there. All right, we're gonna switch sides. So we've got 20-second intervals where we're doing just one at a time. The hold part's gonna be hard if you start scrunching in your neck. So don't kind of hold it up here. We're still keeping that shoulder down and back. And now we're gonna end up doing both in 4 seconds. You're doing great. All right, we've got both going at the same time. So 2 arms together, regular lateral raises. I know I usually like to be a little bit more leaned when I do lateral raises. It's up to you. I feel like I have more space when I lean. All right, arms are in the front. Right arm goes up and down. Same exact thing. We're just doing a front raise here. So my right arm is moving, my left arm staying still, but I'm not hunching my shoulder towards my ear or my neck. You definitely still feel these, right? Ready to change? All right, hold it. If you don't have small weights, you can grab water bottles or even spaghetti cans might be nice. Big spaghetti jars or cans, whatever you got. It's just a couple pounds. You're looking good. If you want to do this in a squat and make this more leggy, you can do that. So you could do it in lunges. Holding a lunge and switching. You're looking good here. We've got both front raises going at the same time, just like we did the laterals. All right. All right, here we are. We're holding in a circle here, and we're just gonna do 1. So my arm's not straight. It's in a kind of like I'm making a little ballerina move above my head. So it's got a little bend in my elbow. My palm faces forward. Again, I'm not trying to scrunch my shoulder towards my ear. So be long in the back of your neck. All right, switch to the other side. I'm feeling these, especially after that part 1. Breathe through it. This one is a nice quick one. So you can tack this onto a workout. It's really fast. All right, we've got 2. Here we go. Over the head for 2. You're looking good. Breathe through it. Again, watch that neck. Keep the shoulder blades going down and away from the neck. Woo! I'm burning.
3, 2, 1.
All right, here we go. Lean over just a bit. We're holding the arms wide and we're going with the 1. So you see my back is flat here. My abs are nice and tight and I'm just swooping, getting my rear delt, and I really feel this when I'm holding. You can bend that elbow a little bit if you need to.
2, 1.
You might even feel this without holding weights by now. It's shaking. Just swoop it out there. You're looking good. This should really be burning. If it's not burning, you might need a little bit heavier weight. Whew.
2, 1. Exercise.
All right, out to the side with both of them. You're doing great, guys. We're gonna take a quick 20-second break. We're gonna do it all again. Watch the neck. We're not scrunching the neck. The neck is long.
1. Exercise.
Okay, shake that out for a moment. Do some rolls. Get used to that burn. It's gonna come right back. All right, round the shoulders a few times. If you need a lighter weight, see if you can manage finding some lighter weights. If you didn't feel that, grab a heavier weight. All right, ready? Here we go. Back to lateral raises. I'm gonna start with my right arm going first. Breathe it out. Shoulders are down and back. Here is where that neck starts to kick in when you get tired. So just make sure it doesn't. If it does, drop the weights.
2, 1.
All right, hold it. I love, I've trained big, strong guys, and I love when I pull out these little dinky weights and they look at me like I'm crazy, and then they're just about in tears by the end of the workout, because these get so hard. It's just funny
1. Exercise.
at what you can do with the equipment that you have. It's amazing what the body can do. We just gotta appreciate the body always, because it does wonderful things for us every day, and we're very hard on it. Let's be nice to it.
2, 1.
Whew.
Exercise.
All right, front raises. So I want you to talk nicely to yourself, talk nice to your body. Think of all the things it does for you all day, and we just kind of harp on it and want it to do more and want it to look a certain way. Start really appreciating it and telling it, thank you.
Exercise.
All right, switch to the other side, front raises. Shoulders down and back here. Keep that shoulder away from the ear, and you'll feel that burn all the more in that right spot. Whew. Get ready to do a double.
2, 1.
All right, here we go. Doubles for the front raises. Abs are in. If you are choosing to do this in a squat, that's awesome, or a lunge. Good for you. I just wanted to focus on my shoulders today.
3, 2, 1. Exercise.
Oh, okay, here we are. We're in that little halo thing. Swoop it up. The left arm stays still. The shoulder blade, try to keep it down and back. And by the way, abs are always tight, right? Don't flare your rib cage out. Pull your abs in so your rib cage isn't flaring out.
Exercise.
You shouldn't have an arch in the lower back. So we want to pull the abs in and support your ribs so your ribs aren't popped out. I have a problem with that, especially when I used to do like handstands against the wall. My ribs would just flare out, and it's because your abs aren't working enough.
2, 1.
All right, doubles, you ready? All the way up, all the way down. We're almost there. You're doing great. I'm gonna do just 2 rounds with you, but you can always repeat this video and do 4 rounds, or just half of it and do 3, whatever suits you. Oh, gosh.
Exercise.
All right, here we go. Lean over. We're wide. This one is a killer. I feel this one immediately. Try not to look up. So keep your neck in line with your spine. Try not to have your neck cocked like I'm looking at you. Try to keep your eyes down in line with your body. All right, switch sides. Hold that right arm out there, or whatever arm you chose to stay still. Good. Oh my gosh, it's shaking. I don't even know if I'm keeping it straight anymore. You guys are doing great. We're almost there. Hold it, hold it, hold it. All right, here we go. Swoop it up.
Exercise 1.
Nice work. Both at the same time. We have a little burnout at the end, if you choose to do it. Kind of just came up with it right now on the spot. We'll see how it goes. I might really regret it.
2, 1.
All right, here we go. We're gonna hold it out. So burnout. We're holding for 20 seconds each move. We're gonna hold both arms out. Shoulders are down and back. Move your neck around. Keep it loose. Snuggle the shoulders down the back without flaring the ribs out. Abs are in. I'm regretting this already.
1.
All right, in the front.
1.
Hold it. Again, let's pull those shoulders down and back. Let's focus on our necks. Keeping that relaxed. If you move it side to side, that also helps. You guys are looking good. Keep it even with the shoulders. You got it. Don't let it fall.
3, 2.
All right, take it over the head.
Exercise 1.
See how wide you can get the elbows here without flaring the ribs, of course. So how wide can you get those elbows? I'm kind of pointing my thumbs down towards the top of my head. Get those elbows wider. Oh, this one's gonna suck. Ready? Here we go. Lean and hold it to the side like you're flying. My arms are shaking like I'm flying. Hold it. Neck is in line with the spine. Are you keeping your abs tight? Hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Shake it out. You did good. You did good. That was a little bit over 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. Great job getting boulder shoulders. Have a great day, guys. And I appreciate you so much, as always.